Last year, the art committee, which is charged with the beautification of the building and so forth, two of our members, Christine Farley and me, know Bart Rubenstein. And Bart is a nationally known and acclaimed sculptor. He has works down at the harbor in Georgetown at the Vice President's residence, making something for Joe and Jill Biden, stuff at other universities. The idea occurred to us to contact Bart, and this is the fruit of those labors. This is Interplay, and then there will be another sculpture of his, which he's placing on indefinite loan to us. So as you can see, it really looks terrific. It's something that does beautify, as we've wanted to have sculpture and so forth in this area.
Today we're at the law campus at Tenleytown of American University. We're installing two sculptures. One is Interface, which we just completed, and now we're putting up Le Door Door, which means in English, from generation to generation. These sculptures are installed with the assistance of my good friend Bob Goldman, who's a longtime professor at the school. And so it's very exciting to inspire the kids because they need to use their law expertise to help make our world a better place. So I'm very excited to be a part. The universities are my best venues, most exciting venues, because that's where you can really make an impact.